Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different as I'll be experimenting with colors. I usually tend to go with warm tone and neutral colors, but this time I'd like to step out of my comfort zone and play with some colors. So keep watching the video and let's begin. So starting with my base, I'm using Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Now I'm going to evenly blend this out using my beauty blender. For my concealer, I'm using Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand underneath my eyes, on my T-zone and around my mouth area. Lastly, to set my base, I'm using my favorite Fit Me loose powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. To set my brows, I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. I think it works great in the drugstore category. So now that we're done with the base, I'm going to directly move on to the eyes, and for that I'm using this Nude medium palette from Huda Beauty. So I'm going to use these three shades, this one as the transition shade, this one in the crease and this one on the outer V. Okay, so I'm going in with this really nice and soft transition shade and I'm going to place it right on the corner of my eye and pull it inwards underneath my brow bone. Now I'm using a slightly darker shade and I'll apply it all over my crease. Now I'm using a dark brown shade on my outer V to kind of intensify the look. Okay, so as this is a colorful look, so I'm using this green eye pencil from Swiss Beauty on my lower lash line. And now I'm using an angular brush to smudge it to create a really smoky effect. Now I'm using the same shade that I used on my transition on my lower lash line. So just to add colorful element to my eyes, I'm using this orange shade from the L'Oreal La Petite palette on the inner corner of my eyes. To voluminize and lengthen my lashes, I am using this Magnet Eyes Mascara from Faces Canada. So now just to make this look a bit more prominent, I am using my magnetic eyelashes from Bling Bar. I totally love how false lashes can actually amp up the entire makeup look. Moving on to blush, I am using my Chanel blush in the shade 72 Rose Initiale. To highlight my face, I am using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold 100. I'll highlight all the high points of my face including the brow bones, and I totally love how pigmented it is. For my lipstick, I am using this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Bombshell. This has a really creamy texture and it's super long lasting. So this is the final look and I hope you all like it, and if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more such wearable colorful looks, and yes, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.